It's called the All-Rounder, made by Bosch. Absolutely awesome tool. It's an oscillating cutter. What it does is it's a problem solver, really. It does loads and loads of different jobs around the house. Sort of thing that you'd buy, you'd use, and then you'd use it again and again and again and again for loads and loads of different types of things. Bosch's thesis behind this was that you could start a job with this tool and finish a job with this tool. The first bit actually comes with is this flush cut blade. Type of applications you can use this for is for cutting the bottom off of architrave to actually fit laminate flooring underneath. Any flush cutting, the blade can turn to face any direction. So as you can see, as I turn it upside down, there's a little Allen key there. You just undo that very slightly, you lift, and then you can turn that blade actually around. Well, I'm laying some laminate floor in here. That's what I want to do. I want to fit my laminate floor actually in underneath my architrave rather than actually cut it round the architrave, which is obviously going to be a lot more awkward. The all-rounder makes it a lot easier to do. So I've taken the piece of laminate floor. I've turned it upside down because we don't want to damage the top of the laminate floor. Because this is a flush cutter, it will sit just flat on top of the laminate like so. It will cut into the timber. If there are any marks, which will only be very minor, they'll be on the bottom of the laminate. Once you flip it over, obviously you've got the shiny side up, doesn't matter. And then we can turn our laminate back over so we've got our side, and then we can actually fit the laminate, as you can see there, in underneath. Also as well, you get this, which is what they call a plunge cut blade. It's semi-flexible, so it does move, for cutting wood, and that you can maybe plunge out a worktop, maybe to fit taps in onto a worktop, things like that. When you board with it like that, you can actually then double up and use it as a sander. Because you've got that oscillation, that between 2 and 3 degree oscillation, no matter what area or what way you twist it, it's always cutting. You can even cut on the very slightest of edges. So it doesn't make any difference what direction you're going in. You can use it as a saw, you can sit it flat so it just then cuts into it on its own. Really versatile.